MPT hospital as of now आमच्याकडे 162 total beds आसा. We are planning to increase the capacity as soon as possible to up to 180 beds. Already arrangements have been put in place. आम्ही आमची team of doctors, there are two teams. I mean basically MPTची team आसा आणि आमची DHS डॉक्टरांची team आसा. Dr. Vishwajit from Urban Health Center is managing the teams. असे total teams जे आसा, they are managing the entire hospital there. So we are planning to increase the capacity up to 180 beds in this hospital.
As of now, सध्या 167 आसा.
As of now 162 asa. There were some issues which are being rectified and very soon we are going to make it up to 180. Order has come, so we are working, already it has been started. Already collector has issued an order making it so accordingly as per that order all the arrangements are being put in place.
Any area of that particular place in Gopogala?
Yes, you can just go through the order which is already issued by the collector. In that order, whichever areas are mentioned, those all are being sealed. Yesterday midnight the order was issued. So today everything we are putting the things in place.
Any other zone which is going to become containment zone? Any other area?
No,
Do you have any idea?
as of now it is there is no such list. We are monitoring each and every day situation in Moscow. Each and every day new cases wherever they are coming up, we are monitoring. Our Talatis are on the field. We are visiting the places and we will see how the cases come up. Accordingly the government will decide.